Okay, we suggested the structure and the interface. We need to introduce something to assemble. This is a horn. This is the bolt. Okay. And this is a flank. Flank to hold the transducer. Oh, not transducer. Oh, 是 transducer 啊。哎，能不能下来这个？对 ，OK。Here, this structure, you can see it's like this, the flank. Okay, here is a. We lock the two screw to fasten from this hole, from here. Here. From here are two holes. Is here. These two screws to fasten the transducer. Okay. And if we want to turn this to another side, or change your new horn, we use the like these tools. Okay. To like here. Anti-clockwise is to loosen, and clockwise is too tight. Okay. First is if we want to change one. If we just turn aside, no need to lose this horn. Just lose these two screws. Just lose these two screws. Okay. Then we can turn around. 是吧？方便的时候就拆那两个。那后面会不会打搅脚？
不会，这个线的话是单独直接接的话的线。
随便两脚都可以噶。OK. Just turn around. Turn this aside. We lose these two screws. And turn around any direction like this. This time if it's anti-clockwise, next time when you turn around clockwise, okay, turn this aside. And then lock the two screws. Okay. If we want to change new horns, when this is locked very tight, we release this one. Okay, release this one. And then assemble a new one. We need to be very tight. We need to lock this very tight. Very tight, okay? Very tight. Because this horn, after assembled, we can consider it is together, whole part with the transducer. So this need to be very tight, okay? Very tight, the horn. After tight this horn, we can release the two holes to adjust the flatness, and then lock again. This horn can be, when we lose the two screws, this horn can be front and back, and turn the angles. Okay. Also here. 这里平时是要碰到的啊。Here
这是必须挨着的。
还有你换这个的时候也要先拆这里，其实。
不，那两个螺丝。
换这个是要拆这个是吧？
这个噻。
When we change new horns， 转方向的时候要不要一样啊？
也不需要。啊。它转得动的话就不用。
啊。
但是一般情况下，一般装的时候要把那个这个地方要顶到起哈。啊。这个底是顶点，顶下来，然后再锁到那个。
那你这个要不要呢？这三个是不用管它，平时。
这个不用管了，这个锁死就行了。
平时是要碰到的啊，这里。
平时要碰到的，
平时必须要碰到啊。
这个必须挨到起，它才起到一个垂直作用。
OK。Here, this wood need to, after we assembled the horn, this wood need to contact the horn closely. closely. These two screws is when we loosen these two screws, it can go up and down. This plate can go up and down. And this one to limit, to lock here, to lock this plate. So when we turn around, normally need to release here. 正常讲是要释放的，因为你平时碰着的嘛，是不是？
对呀。
你碰着的，那你转面的时候、换头的时候都要把那里松掉先。
是啊，它那个地方应该很大力啊，你看，这个那么大一公里的话，肯定是那是碰到的。它换转模具的时候把它松掉，但是那个地方要起个锤子，要松掉那个螺丝。这是个顶力。
就这里要松一点嘛，这两个也要松一下，是吧？松完之后再转。
顶到的话它就不动，它
转完之后再靠下来。
对。
靠下来再锁。对。锁完之后再锁这个，是吧？
对，就这么个意思。
Yes, okay. When we turn aside this horn, or change a new one, we not only here, not only the two screws, also here. Here we need the release here, release, and release here. Move it higher. Okay. First, after we changed, we need to move this plate lower. Let the wood contact the horn and press this one lower. And then lock these two screws. Okay. Just make sure here contact the horn, because when the horn over vibration, need the wood hold it. Okay, this is a simple type for the wire and the terminal welding. We have another type with two wings like this, with two wings here. So only put the wire to the wings like this. We have other videos to show that type also. Because like here we can see from the wire after weld, it is close to the edge of the plate. So this type is enough. Sometimes the wire after weld is only like this, only a half at the middle. So this type of mod might not enough. Need the wings type. Hold the wire very close and weld to the center. Okay, all our machines we try explain clearly, physically and theoretically, to hope our customer can use smoothly and suggest us more business. Okay, thank you.